Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Roborock QV 35A. The Roborock Qrevo S is our best overall recommendation for its strong balance of cleaning performance, smart features, and value. With powerful 7,000 pascals, suction and a multi-directional floating brush made to reduce hair tangling, it delivers consistent cleaning over hard surfaces, tile, and carpets. It offers multiple modes of suction power, such as balanced, turbo, and max, and this is easily controlled via the related app. We tested each mode on medium pile carpet, and the increased suction made a noticeable difference, picking up pieces of rice and cereal that got left behind. Navigation is managed by a precise LiDAR system that builds 3D maps of your home, in conjunction with an obstacle avoidance system that's smart enough to dodge cords, stray socks, and small toys. If you don't want to make manual changes in the app, the Qrevo S will automatically calibrate cleaning modes depending on the room to optimize usage. During its first run in our lab tests, the robot vacuum cleaned as it created a detailed map of the pen. Once this step is completed, we explored the app where we could create cleaning schedules, set up no-go zones, and configure levels for multi-story homes to adapt to different living spaces. There's a handy Do Not Disturb mode available that prevents the Qrevo S from running during specific time frames, too. In terms of performance, this vacuum really impressed. It was able to navigate right up to the edges of our walls, and the side bristles effectively swept cereal and rice into its path for a thorough clean. The Qrevo S also handled obstacles well, maneuvering around chair legs and furniture with precision. Number 2. Tapo RV30 Max Plus. We haven't tried this model yet, but the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is our best budget pick because it's an affordable robot vacuum that offers both vacuum and mop abilities, and that's a rarity at this price level. But the premium tools don't just stop there. This pick includes LiDAR navigation, room-specific cleaning, and an auto-empty dock, bringing high-end faculties to a more financially friendly category. With 5,200 pascals, suction power, and a claimed 97% dust pickup rate, it's more than able to clean hardwood floors and carpet. The RV30 Max Plus supplies a 300 ml water tank and wide mop pad for consistent everyday cleaning. It has 3 adjustable water flow levels, and uses a mesh grid pattern to go back over areas for a more thorough clean. The Tapo app allows you to customize cleaning parameters for each room, set virtual boundaries, and designate carpet areas to avoid mopping. The app stores up to 4 different floor maps, which is very useful for multi-story homes. It lacks advanced intuitiveness like AI-powered obstacle detection, so you'll need to pick up cables and other small items before cleaning, but that's a reasonable trade-off at this relatively low price. Considering the core features it does come with and app compatibility, the RV30 Max Plus is a solid value option for budget-conscious shoppers. Number 3. Roborock QV. The Qrevo QVX is a newer design from Roborock, and we like that it has a slimmer build to fit under a wider variety of furniture, but still packs 22,000 pascals of suction power, the highest on our list. It's equipped with a range of smart features, including pet recognition technology and two-way video calling in the Roborock app, to interact with furry friends while you're away, making it a great choice for households with animals. The initial mapping process took a bit of time, but alas, this is a crucial step for an accurate layout of your home. Once the mapping was complete, the QurvX navigated efficiently, avoiding unnecessary paths and cleaning strategically as it went. During operation, the vacuum ran very quietly, especially when compared to other Roborock models we've experienced. One of the biggest conveniences is the automatic dustbin emptying system, as it significantly reduces the need for manual maintenance. The tanks hold debris for up to 7 weeks, and the water tank automatically refills the reservoir on the robot vacuum so you don't have to. The mop lifting and carpet detection performed well in our lab tests. When used in the concrete floor pen with obstacles like a small rug, it raised the heads with ease when transitioning between floor types. This ensured that carpets didn't get wet during mopping sessions and the robot maintained the right cleaning mode. The edge mopping system is also a fantastic feature. The mop heads sit on arms that extend outwards for better reach, and they were able to get under and around table legs more efficiently. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro. More basic robot vacuums typically require frequent maintenance, including removing tangled hair, emptying dustbins, and cleaning mop pads. Thankfully, models like the Eufy X10 Pro Omni reduce these monotonous tasks with carefully curated features. Beyond the lower upkeep, this RoboVac offers 8,000 pascals of suction power, laser navigation, and an artificial intelligence LED sensor camera for obstacle recognition in darker areas. Our tester felt like the X10 was just as good at mopping as it was at vacuuming. It handled dust, crumbs, dirt, thrown baby food, and her messy cooking habits exceptionally well. There is very seldomly any residue left behind unless it's super smashed or dried into the floor. The X10 uses 2 mop heads that rotate at 1800 RPM, and the vacuum deploys 1 kilogram of downward pressure to mimic the kind of deep clean you might do by hand. There isn't a side brush, but the squoval shape was able to get closer to wall edges and corners. The X10 switched off the mops when it detected a rug and turned them back on immediately after navigating back onto the hardwood floors. It also performed well on an entry rug and never pushed or smashed it up like our tester's old robot vacuum did. The combination docking station is equipped with a base that only needs to be cleaned every few months. Other key highlights include auto refill, auto wash, self-dry, and self-emptying to make maintenance virtually hands-free. Our tester's main complaint is that it's a bit noisy when self-emptying, but the process doesn't last very long. Number 5. Dreame X40 Ultra. As a first-time robot vacuum owner, our tester has been very pleased with his ongoing experience using the Dreame X40 Ultra. It's been able to take on dirt, dust, crumbs, and anything that is dog tracks inside, and exceeded expectations on hardwood floors. There are a few places it struggled to reach, like under a coffee table and TV stand, but we chalk that up to a height issue rather than capability concerns. The X40 Ultra has 12,000 pascals of suction power, and a liftable, extendable side brush that gets close to wall corners and furniture legs. To protect rugs and carpets from getting wet, the robot vacuum can either detach the mop heads or lift them to 10.5 millimeters, preventing any wet and dry mess combinations. The app also allows you to program no-go zones, including rugs or other problem areas like staircases. Even with pet toys laying around the house, the X40 was able to navigate and map the layout with ease, all while avoiding these obstacles. The mopping feature is a favorite for our tester. If you're constantly on the go, having a robot vacuum capable of mopping on a daily basis is a real game changer. And thanks to auto-empty and auto-refill tanks, it's really a set-it-and-forget-it device. We only suggest that you run the robot vacuum overnight so you aren't disturbed by its run cycle.